Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete non-group expenses on Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Splitwise, and then here you can see on the home page it says right here non-group expenses. I want you to just tap on this and you'll be able to see all your non-group expenses. So the one you want to delete, I want you to just tap on that. So let's say I want to delete this Netflix expense. Then once you have tapped on it, here at the top right, you'll see this trash can icon. This is the delete option. I want you to just click on it. And then I want you to just click on OK to delete this expense. It will remove this expense for all the people involved, not just us. If you're okay with that, just tap on OK. And as you can see, that expense has been deleted. If we go to activity as well, you see right here, it says we deleted the Netflix. So that is how you delete non-group expenses on Splitwise.